Most traders only watch price, but smart traders watch volume. The VSA Relative Volume Indicator MT4 helps you spot hidden buying and selling pressure before major market moves happen. This strategy combines volume spread analysis, or VSA, with relative volume data to reveal institutional activity in the market. The indicator highlights unusual volume spikes that can signal accumulation, distribution, breakouts, or reversals. High relative volume means big players may be entering the market, while low volume can warn of weak momentum. Buy setup. First, identify an uptrend or a key support zone on the chart. Wait for the VSA Relative Volume Indicator to show a strong bullish volume spike during a bullish candle. Look for price rejecting support or breaking above resistance with increased relative volume. Enter the buy trade after the breakout candle closes or after a bullish retest confirms support. Place your stop loss below the recent swing low or below the high volume signal candle. Take profit at the next resistance level or trail profits while volume remains strong and bullish momentum continues. Sell setup. Look for a downtrend or price approaching a major resistance zone. Wait for the indicator to show a bearish high-volume spike during a bearish candle or rejection wick. Enter the sell trade after bearish confirmation and increased selling pressure appear together. If price breaks below support with strong relative volume, that strengthens the setup even more. Place your stop loss above the recent swing high or above the bearish signal candle. Take profit near the next support level or trail the trade while bearish volume stays elevated. Volume matters most during key market sessions like London and New York. Avoid trusting volume signals during quiet market hours because low liquidity can create fake setups. The VSA Relative Volume Indicator, MT4, helps traders understand what smart money may be doing behind the scenes, so they can make more confident trading decisions. Visit ForexMT4Indicators.com to download the free VSA Relative Volume Indicator, templates, and more advanced Forex trading tools.